Okay. Okay.
Should I let go or no? No.
No, she can rock a little bit, that's
She
alright.
got a little scared when the door slammed.
Yeah.
Yay!
Side saddle. You're such a silly monkey.
Hey, you did it. She said, how did I land here?
What do you say? Is it alright?
No, not exactly.
I see. What are you doing on the floor, you silly cookie farmer?